How to turn off the Twitter sensitive content setting. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the Twitter sensitive content setting. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video, make a comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Twitter app on your phone. Once you're in the Twitter app, click on the stars in the top right hand corner of your phone. Next, click on View Content Preferences. In the next menu under Explore, click on Search Settings. And next on Hide Sensitive Content, you need to switch that one on. And now this prevents tweets with potentially sensitive content from being displayed in your search results. If you want to turn it off again, just toggle the switch back. And that's all it takes to turn off Twitter sensitive content setting. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.